How to find profitable meme coins on Tron Energy. To find profitable meme coins on the Tron blockchain, you can try to utilize platforms like Sunpumped and NFT Tron for discovering new meme coins. These platforms allow you to track early-stage coins with potential growths. Second, target coins with a market cap around $70,000 to $80,000 that are completing their bonding curve. Avoid those significantly below this range as they may lack recovery potential. Third, community engagement. Monitor social media, especially Twitter, for active communities around specific tokens. Strong community interest often correlates with future growth. Next, employ Telegram trading bots for quick transitions. Ensure your wallet, like TronLink, is set up and funded with TRX before trading. Lastly, always implement stop-loss orders and realistic profit targets to mitigate risks associated with volatile meme coins. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the Tron meme coin market and identify potential profitable investments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.